Is there a fire truck? And an ambulance.
Moving pictures. Hello there, moving pictures.
What's up, Dad?
I've been all around the world. Every city, every place. Always been a restless girl.
Somebody just spent a lot of money. They're here you go, honey, one with the monorail. Somebody just bought that big, huge thing. So that would have been, oh my God, like almost $3,000. Wow. Scooter is the author, the artist. Ooh, this is very interesting. So retro. Oh my gosh, all these are retro. All these are oh wow. Oh, I love these retro things. Oh my God, the sci-fi. Oh no, this one? But I love that they put that alien in the sci-fi. But I love this one with the gate. Oh, the House of Tomorrow. Really like this one also. So this is extremely unique. So a steampunk carriage with Belle and the Beast. I like it. I missed that parade so much. We bought a piece of Scooter's work about an hour ago, and he wasn't signing then, and now there's a very long line. So here's the couple that spent a whole bunch of money and bought that big one right there. Now he's autographing it for them. So the couple just left and they're taking it off. They're gonna pack it up. They had it zip tied so it didn't fall, which makes sense. Because this is our favorite festival. Wow. I like it. Look at that. Hold on. Oh. Let's take a look at the room. And then we'll look at our view.
Look, they got our name on the TV. Disney World guest.
Look. Okay, I really, really like these pictures and these frames right here. So we got the only thing that was available, we took it. Deluxe room with a pool or garden view. And we're only here for one night.
We got swan view.
This area is really great. Extra suitcases, luggage. Open up those cabinets, hon. See what we got. Utensils.
And extra paper towels.
Okay. And paper products.
Glassware.
Okay. So we just got out of the Riviera and we actually get real plates. Open that back up. Real plates and cups and mugs in that one. Yeah, in that one, not paper products. Also at Riviera we get a freezer. We do not get a freezer in this fridge. But what a nice room, a lock off. So if you were going to get a 1 bedroom, that would be in that section. So let's take a look at our view. Wow, I like the door that doesn't slide, it actually opens. This is a wonderful view. Look, water transportation. Oh, this is great. Look, hon, we could go down there and play croquet. Wow, I like it.
Yeah.
I also love the extra counter space here. This is great. Normally, you know, it cuts off right here, even though this is a good amount. Got this extra here. That's wonderful. This room has this is just great. There's so much room to move around in. Put suitcases underneath the bed or in the front hall. Now at Riviera, we only had a Keurig, which was fine because that's what we brought. But in the past, Tom brought stuff for a regular coffee pot. So this is nice having the option of both. We're on the 4th floor, 5th floor. What we're having problems with is trying to find an elevator. So we left, what? Well, let's see. So we left the park and we came elevator. So it's probably in the main lobby. And there are no other ones. That's a bummer. So we came to the room first to drop off what we had. Ooh, that's cute. And to just to find out where our room was and what was going to be the best route to get there. Because unfortunately with Boardwalk, the parking lots are not close to the resort. That's nice. Let's go see what's out here. So we found the elevators, which are, oh, they keep it locked. Makes sense. The elevator right across from the Leaping Horse Libations.
Wonder what they sell there.
All right. So it looks like the only elevators are going to be from the main lobby. All right. Main lobby. Oh my gosh, look at this old poo. This is nice. We are sitting here enjoying our Gideon's cookies from the other day and watching the water transportation go back and forth. The roasting marshmallows. All right, so we have been in the room a little bit. It's now 6:50. We're headed back to Epcot to get some snacks. bringing in a bride and groom. They're bringing in a wedding party. Wow, look at that. First up, Pop Eats. I can't believe we actually found a table. So I got the regular grilled cheese, Tom got the ham and cheese, and look at the little tomato soup cans this year. It's gonna be hard to see. Maybe I'll show y'all when we get back to the room. This soup is really good because at the bottom there's like real bits of tomato. When in Norway, you get school bread. Please don't let it be a long line. Oh, it's not a long line? That's crazy. So we're headed in here to get a special drink that's not advertised, that we have to say Dom sent us. I cannot believe this. Wow. There's hardly a line. Alright, so this is the special drink that you had to say Dom sent me. Comes in a little special plastic cup, and I don't even remember what was in it. I just know it was supposed to be good.
And that's a corn old fashioned, and it comes in a special cup too.
Yeah, one you throw away. Not mine though. And they put tables up here at the pyramid, so we have a nice out of the way spot to enjoy our drinks. Wow, I've never heard that announcement before, that the fireworks show is delayed. And I am having a whodunit, which is basically kind of their only frou-frou drink.
That's a parlor trick.
Very, very cozy. Love the atmosphere. Would definitely come back. And they have outside seating. Disney lights. Oh, look at them. 2 water taxis passing in the night. So that is a wrap for today. Thank you so much for following along. Hopefully you subscribe and hit the bell notification button. Oh, look, there's scaffolding. Because tomorrow is our last day of our Disney vacation. And you know what? I want to bring you guys along. See you at the parks. Is there a fire truck? And an ambulance. Coming to our resort. Oh my. I knew I heard sirens far off, and I'm thinking, you normally don't hear those here at the resort. So by 11:42, just 15 minutes later, all the lights are off. Guess that was drawing too much attention. Okay, it's odd because the water taxis had to sit there the whole time, and now another one. I mean, did something happen in the water? Because the water taxis can now go, but they weren't in motion until all the emergency personnel left, and now the patrol car's coming back. Alright, he just made a loop, that's all. Okay, just a minute ago, I think I said over about the pool. I don't know why I said pool. Okay, So the fire trucks and all came down this road, and the Atlantic Dance Hall is right here. And they came right here and they pulled all in right here. These were the trees that it was hard to see. So I'm not sure what all happened right there. But as you can see, we have the swan and the dolphin right across the street. So, yeah, don't know what was going on right there. Oh, this person evidently noticed that one of the lights were out. And is actually changing out the light bulb. You know, because you guys would want to know when they do that, right? Okay. Will it come back on? He just put in a new light bulb. Well, that's a bummer. So, new light bulb didn't work. Oh, there's another one out over there that he's checking. All right, well, now I will say nighty-night.
I've been all around the world, every city, every place. Always been a restless girl, but now there's